centers secretly train you to become a virtual assistant, and most people don't realize it. Almost 3 years na ako sa industry na to. The first 2 years, call center. Then last year, nag-transition ako to being a virtual assistant. And looking back, may isang realization ako. The job was training me the whole time, pero hindi ko pa alam noon. What I did? Honestly, wala akong special strategy. Hindi ako nagpa-plan na, magiging VA ako balang araw. Nagtrabaho lang ako. Pero habang ginagawa ko yon, may nangyayari pala sa background. I was building skills. And what I learned is first, communication. Kapag araw-araw kang nakikipag-usap sa customers, matututo ka. Paano mag-explain ng malinaw, paano makinig ng maayos, how to stay calm kahit gano'n nakagalit or ka-irate ang kausap mo. Kung trabaho mo involves computers, communication tools, customer interaction, digital systems, you are already building a valuable professional skills. Call centers are just one of the fastest training grounds. So kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, huwag mong maliitin ang experience na binubuo mo ngayon.